Hi, it's Miss Lalana, and I am going to help you with your Monday math practice. Okay, so make sure that you write your name. You can't see it, but make sure you have your name right there and write the date. I'll put it right here. Today is February 22nd, 2016. All right, are you ready to get started? Let's do number one. So we have 418 plus 148. So we add where first? On the ones place. What's 8 plus 8? Double 8. You know that. What's that? 16. So what do I write here? The 6. And I put the 1 up here. And then what do I do next? Add 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 4 is 6. And then add the hundreds place. What's 4 plus 1? 5. All right, so I write 5 right there. So my answer is 566. Thumbs up if you got that right. All right, you ready for number 2? So number 2, we're going to be subtracting, okay? 783 minus 588. So where do we start? So just like with adding, in the ones place, okay? So 3 take away 8. All right, show me 3. You see 3? Can you take 8 away from that? No, so you have to borrow. Look next door. So the 3 borrows from the 8, which makes that a what? A 7. And then this 3 becomes 13. All right, so now 13 take away 8. Start at 8, put 8 in your mind, 8 in your mind. All right, count with me. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how much is that? 5. Okay? So 13 minus 8 is 5. Now what about 7 take away 8? Let me see 7. Can you take 8 away from that? Oh no. So we need to do what? Borrow. Okay, we need to regroup from the hundreds. So this 7 becomes a what? A 6, and the 7 becomes 17. So now 17 take away 8. Start where? At 8, so put 8 in your mind. 8 in your mind, count 17. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much is that? 9, okay? And then what's 6 take away 5? Can you do that? Yes, and how much is that? 1. All right, good job. Thumbs up if you got that by yourself. Woohoo! All right, let's look at number 3. Now, number 3 says, find the value of S. Now, S is a letter, but here it's a number, and we call that a variable. So when you get older, like 5th grade, middle school, and high school, you use variables a lot. So that's letters, then you have to figure out what number that letter means, okay? So here, S plus 2 equals 18. So I have to figure out, what is S? So what number plus 2 equals 18? Do you know? 16. That's right. 16 plus 2 equals 18. Now, if you tried another number, if you don't know, maybe let's try 5. 5 plus 2. Is that 18? Oh, no. Not equal to 18. So I know 5 can't be it. All right. What about 10? Let's try 10. 10 plus 2. What's 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2 is 12. Is that equal to 18? Oh, no. So that's not right either. Okay? So S equals 16 for that one. All right, let's look at number 4. Number 4 says, is the number of shapes shown even or odd? Okay, so 2 ways we're going to do it. First way is, let's partner up the shapes. So these go together, those go together, those go together, those go together. They're partner, partner, you're my partner, you're my partner. So does that mean that it's odd or even? When everybody has a partner. What does that mean? That is even, okay? So that's one way you can do it. You can partner them up, partner, 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 partner. And if it's exactly even, then it's even. Or we can count. Let's count how many hearts we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now 14, the way we know if it's an even number, we skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So we said that number, so we know it is what? Even, okay? And look, the clue, that number right there in the ones place is a 4. And we know 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even. So 14 is even. Okay? Are we good? All right, let's look at number 5. Which describes the shaded amount? And there's a question mark right there. All right, so look, how many do you see that's shaded? There are 2 shaded. And how many do you see in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 2 that are shaded. So this 2 is shaded. And there are 4 in all. 4 spaces in all. So that's 2/4. Oh, do you see that here? I see 4/4, 3/4, 2/4. What's the right answer? 2/4. Now another way we say fourths is what? Quarters. So if it said 2/4, so if it said 2/4 like that, that would be right too. Okay? So I'm going to stop here. We finished 1 through 5. Double thumbs up if you got this. It's so easy. All right, so check back for part 2, and I'm going to do numbers 6 through 10. All right?